Batang matinong ka-PK. Hello, Edwin. You're welcome. Where you from?
Ano?
Hello po,
Hello. Where you from?
Cavite. Ikaw,
Alam nilang Pinay tayo. Archie, welcome. Alam nila. Hello.
Hello.
Where you from?
Philippine. How about you?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good too. Thank you.
Where are you in the
How old are
Philippines?
Manila.
Manila.
Yes.
Nice. How old do you think I am?
I think 20 plus, like that. 20 something.
Can we play match?
Okay, this is my first time to play match.
Okay. Well, please welcome.
Yes.
Where do you live again, Kyle? I live there also. Guys, kindly tap and share this live. Everyone, thank you so much. But Red Bull, welcome. Do you have daughters already?
Yes, I
Oh,
have.
California. I'm from California, by the way.
Okay.
Sometimes I live in the Philippines too.
Where in Philippines? Which place?
Sa Leyte ako.
Ay, Bisaya kayo noon. Ni-scam mo ako ah.
Ay, Bisaya, sa day ka.
Oo, kasabot po ko taga Mindanao po ko.
Ay, taga Mindanao, pero naa ka sa Manila ron.
Asa ka dapit sa Leyte?
Sa Ormoc ko.
Ormo?
Yes.
Asa
Katawad
dapit sa
ka?
Ormo?
The one, hello. Ay, katawad ka sa Ormoc?
Oo, naka-stay ko na 3 months
Asa sa Ormoc?
sa may kalimot ko kung asa dapita
Ormoc sa siya, guys. Ormoc sa di ay si ate. Si ate Alexa. Nakaminyo ka diya sa Manila, ate. Naka sa Manila.
Dili. Oo, nakaminyo ko pero wala naman mi, nagiwalay naman mi.
Ano?
Ay, long story.
Isa kay Kuno. One rose, everyone. Ate Jack, thank you, Ate Jack. Chismosa kay si Abia, oy. Magunsara day ka diri sa live, ate.
Nang apply. Balik abroad ah.
Nang-apply ka sa live?
Oo
Prince, hello, Prince. Need updated to. Delete ka, quiz, delete ka. Guys, tap tayo, share this live and repost. May na-scam tayong isa ngayon. Ate Alexa, sorry Ate Alexa.
Sige lang.
Jerson, hello. Hindi scam.
Scam mo
Ano
po,
ba?
ha?
Prank. Prank lang ate, hindi scam. Guys, double everyone. Let's go double, guys. Double. Tea, welcome. Peanuts, welcome. Mahal ko. Thank you for the heart me, mahal ko. Thank you, John Ray. Guys, kindly tap, share this live and repost. Isa Franca. Don't forget to follow also our MVP right here, guys. RS3 Masimanidjo. Thank you so much, girl. Let's go double game. Kay, quiz, ingat
Ilan ang
quiz
edad
ha.
nino?
26, ate.
Ay, bata pa. Kay dara
Kulang
na
na.
mo akong anak laki ba? Bata pa na ako eh.
Wala pa yung buo. Ano. Quiz, ingat quiz ha. Bro, welcome. John Paul Cooks.
Mayo kay wala mo na bagyo diha sa Liti.
Wala man, atong Tino Kosog. Dean Jones, I'm from Visayas in the Philippines, Dean. Everyone, please
Grabe
keep
ang
it.
ano sa Cebu, no?
Yes, oo, ate. Sa Cebu yung grabe. Hello, alak. Sige, quiz. Guys, 34 seconds left, everyone. Keep on tapping. Share this left and right. Moon, welcome, Moon. Gregorio, welcome. 23 seconds. Ngayon ka lang naka-PK, ate?
Karong dura.
PK ka pa minsan-minsan. Makakahanap ka na madaming kausap. Yun.
Ganun pala yun.
Oo. Kaya hello. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Ate Jo, thank you John Ray for all our top procedures. Thank you Ate Alexa. Thank you.
Okay.
Hindi Ampi. Sige.
Ikaw po, damping mo diha.
Salamat. May na-prank tayong isa. Please patap-tap, share this live and repost to everyone. Thank you so much. Hanap pa tayo iba, guys. Diyan na natin sabihin at the end. Oo, na-prank. Yes, wala tayong kausap dun. Guys, Kelly. Hi. Hi. Where are you from? California. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Ah. You're